what's the biggest practical change the Genius Act creates for a corporate treasurer that most people may overlook?
Yeah, I'll jump in if you just want us to jump in. Is that how you'd like to proceed?
Yeah, that question's for you, Craig.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, I guess I think about that from a corporate treasurer perspective. Risk is a key area, and what is nice about the Genius Act is that it creates a full transparency to the assets that back the particular currency. It gives a framework, which is stability. The particular coin is pegged and can't be unpegged to the U.S. dollar. It provides a framework for using this other payment rail, if you will, effectively. That's quite a bit different from either crypto or some of the other stable coins that existed without the necessary regulatory framework that exists.
Lou, you work with businesses moving money across borders every day. Does the Genius Act make those conversations easier than they were compared to a year ago?
I would say definitely, especially here in the Americas, in the US. I think the most thing that the Genius Act did for businesses like us operating in the stablecoin payment space is to give regulatory clarity and provide more confidence to our clients in using this as a tool. So I would say from a compliance perspective, like it's helping in building our clients' confidence in this product.
John, you've covered crypto through every boom and bust. Does this law mark the end of the Wild West era for stablecoins?
Well, first of all, Andy, thank you for having me on today. And happy birthday to your mother-in-law. It's very exciting. I'm sorry that she has you trapped in the underground bunker there, but I hope it's a very happy birthday. Yeah, it is a sea change in crypto markets, because with stable coins now officially becoming a fully regulated instrument, we basically have an on and off ramp between traditional finance and digital finance or crypto. And that's very significant. We've always had it in the form of stable coins, but now that they have regulatory oversight, meaning we will be able to trust them in the same way we trust national banknotes, that is going to be a massive change. And I think for most people, most companies, most treasuries, you won't even notice that these are happening. What you will notice is that money moves faster and cheaper because, of course, that is the benefit to moving things digitally and to these new types of digital dollars. So it's really exciting. And the investment opportunity is really around the companies that are building the infrastructure to support these stable coins or these digital dollars. That's where I get really excited about the opportunities.
Lourdes, your book argues that we're entering a new era in the evolution of money. What are your thoughts here?
So first of all, is that for sure, as you were just saying, there is the possibility of transactions that are free and immediate. So what was happening till now, the friction was mainly in international transactions. Domestic transactions go very fast, but if I want to send money myself to my daughter who was traveling in Senegal, I had to go through a friend, and all this allows, of course, crypto technology, and in this case, stable coins, allow us for international transactions to work extremely efficiently and also for free. So this is a tremendous sea change. So how do we use the money? We use the money for domestic payments, for C2C. We use the money for C2B, B2B, domestically and internationally. I think for me, what changes with crypto, with crypto technology, and with digital currencies is the possibility of the frictionless international exchanges. The world is very global, and we continue all to be very global. And if you make a transaction, a payment to Brazil, Brazil has tremendous regulatory and very strict conditions. It's a nightmare. Or I said Brazil or other countries. So the technology allows it, whether digital currencies that actually use crypto technology or stable coins or any other technology. The technology is there, is allowed to do it. And of course, the major change is in international payments, both B2B, C2B, or government to government. Much easier to move the money.
Thank you. A sea change indeed. I don't know if anybody else is getting echo, but I'm getting a lot of echo on my side. So I'm going to hope to cure the technical difficulties on my side. Let's go into segment 2.